Hey friends, today for our flip grid, we're going to draw a bird because birds live in trees and we're doing our tree unit. All right, so when we're drawing our bird, first thing we're going to do is make a circle for the bird's head, make another circle for the bird's eye, put there. If you want, give them an eyebrow, make them happy. Then do a triangle for the beak. And then what we're gonna do is draw half a circle for the bird's body. Draw another half circle. Bird's wing. At the bottom, draw some feet. And that's going to be our bird. You can color it any color you want and have a lot of fun with it. All right, friends, thanks for watching me draw my bird. I look forward to watching you all draw your birds and color them in beautifully. Have a great day.